Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over this TaskRabbit review. This video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are deciding whether or not TaskRabbit is worth it for them. And so I've been using TaskRabbit or doing TaskRabbit for about a year now, and mainly focusing on furniture assembly, specifically from IKEA. And I must say that it's definitely good money if you have the right skills, but here are some things that you need to be aware about. Now, let's first start off with the pros with TaskRabbit. You do get to set your own hourly rates and work whenever you want. Plus, furniture assembly pays pretty well, usually about like $30 to $60 per hour, depending on your area. And you get to help people who generally need the service. But the downside is that you have to provide your own tools, transportation, and some tasks can be way more complicated than the customer describes. Now, the biggest cons of TaskRabbit, though, is that although you can make good money, you do have to deal with customers who sometimes have unrealistic expectations. And what I mean by that is that they'll book you for 2 hours to assemble like an IKEA desk, but then you show up and it's actually a whole bedroom set that you have to assemble. Some weeks I'll have easy furniture assembly jobs that pay great. Other weeks I'll get stuck with nightmare projects that take twice as long with TaskRabbit. But with TaskRabbit though, I think the most I made in a day was like $400 assembling furniture. But I've also had jobs where I barely broke even after factoring in time and gas. Other things with TaskRabbit that I didn't like or don't like currently is that customers can be really demanding and expect you to clean up all the packaging and sometimes even rearrange their entire room. And unlike other gig work where you just drop something off, furniture assembly specifically means you're in someone's home for hours dealing with their personality and their expectations. Now, with TaskRabbit though, one thing to keep in mind is that you do have to take into account your tool cost, the gas, and the time between jobs. So even if you're charging $40 per hour, you need to factor in driving time, tool maintenance, and the fact that you might not have back-to-back bookings. So your actual hourly rate might be lower than you think. Now with TaskRabbit, there can be some really difficult customers who will try to add extra work or complain about your rates. So my recommendation is that you set clear boundaries up front and don't let people take advantage of you. For me, for example, I learned to always confirm exactly what needs to be assembled before accepting a job because people will always try to sneak in like extra items or it might take longer. Now here are my 3 tips for someone who wants to try out TaskRabbit furniture assembly. First tip is to invest in good quality tools because you'll be using them constantly, and cheap tools will just slow you down and frustrate customers. I spent like $300 on a good drill set and various screwdrivers, and it's already paid for itself many times over. It also allows me to work a lot faster and more efficiently. Second tip is always ask detailed questions before accepting a job because customers, like I mentioned, often underestimate how much work is involved. I learned to ask how many pieces of furniture exactly, what brand, and if they have all the hardware because showing up to find missing screws or damaged parts ruins your whole schedule. Third tip is price yourself competitively. Don't go too low because furniture assembly is skilled work and you do deserve to be paid. When I first started out, I was doing like $25 an hour, but I quickly raised to around $45 per hour. My solid rule is that I don't accept jobs that are less than $35 per hour because it's not worth the physical effort and time investment. But with TaskRabbit though, I'd say it's been a pretty good experience overall. The money is definitely better than most gig work, and there's satisfaction in helping people get their furniture set up properly, and TaskRabbit support is also pretty decent when you run into any issues with customers, though sometimes it takes a while to resolve the disputes. So with that being said, if you're considering TaskRabbit furniture assembly, I'd say just try it out. You won't know what it's like until you actually try it out yourself. But make sure you have the right tools and are comfortable working in people's homes. But I hope you found this video helpful, everyone. Let me know if you have any comments down below.